Anji, good morning everyone. So today we are going to discuss the assignment which was shared in the class group as your homework. So first question of assignment is, yes, Mandeep. नहीं, तब थोड़ी निशद की ओपिनियन चेंज हुई थी. When did Nishad's opinion change? Yes, Vidipal. Hmm. I want an assignment or questions written. हाँ जी, ये तो बेटा टेक्स्ट के हैं, असाइनमेंट के क्वेश्चन आंसर्स. हाँ जी, दिखाइए बेटे. सो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन हमारा असाइनमेंट का है, मिस्टर नाथ वॉज अ मिस्ट्री फॉर बोथ. किस किस के लिए मिस्ट्री थे? वेरी नाइस. माया एंड निशित. हाउ हैज निशित ओपिनियन चेंज्ड अबाउट हिम? हमारा क्वेश्चन है कि निशित की ओपिनियन कैसे चेंज होगी मिस्टर नाथ के बारे में. यस साहिब. Nisha turns sympathetic toward Mr. Nath, seeing his fond opinions. Yes. His attitude changed further when he came to know that he used to give regular tips to Ramesh for cricket. Earlier, both of them suspected him as a criminal, but हमने चैप्टर में पढ़ा है कि निशद did not believe that Mr. Nath is a criminal, and his opinion changed about Mr. Nath when he saw his gaunt appearance. He felt him to be sick, starving, and lonely. Is the answer clear? Yes. पहले sit down. बेटा पहले he was a mystery for both of them, but when he went into his room, he saw him. He felt that as if he was sick, he was starving, he was poor, he couldn't afford food, and he was lonely. At that time, Nishad's opinion about Mr. Nath changed. I hope I am clear. Yes. Is this answer clear to everyone? Yes. Next, what does Nishad find out about Mr. Nath from Ramesh? You've not written the questions correct even. Who wrote it? Yes, Harman. Acha, Nia has also done, right? Right answer. Did you tell the point that he pays in cash and tips well? That point will also be included in it. So from Ramesh, Nishad finds out that every day he carries two meals for Mr. Nath, one in the morning and one in the evening. He takes 2 cups of tea, one in the morning and one in the afternoon. He is not very much particular about what he eats, right? And he pays immediately and tips well. But on Sundays, Ramesh carries 2 lunches for Mr. Nath for his visitor also. One for Mr. Nath and one for his visitor. Is this clear? Yes. Next is, why did Maya think about, what does Maya think about the visitor of Mr. Nath? Yes, Aditya. Spend on, he visits to give him money. Sit down. What does Maya think? Yes, Ishmi. Nah, just me. Same. Maya thinks that Mr. Nath's visitor is his partner in crime. He has kept all the loot with him, and he visits Mr. Nath every Sunday to give him some money for his expenses. Is the answer clear? Repeat the answer, Amanat. Repeat the answer. क्वेश्चन भी रिपीट करूं? अच्छा जी. What does Maya think about Mr. Nath's visitor?
Maya thinks about Mr. Nath is that he is a partner of Mr. Nath in crime and gave him money for his expenses.
Right answer. Gives him money for his expenses. Good. Why did Nishad and Maya get a holiday and how did they spend it? Yes, Isha. Ekam, आपने work नहीं किया? Then why don't you raise hand? Next answer you will have to give.
Nishad and Maya's school was going to reopen after summer holiday, but the monsoon had started. The roads were flooded and no traffic could move. So they got a holiday. They spent this holiday by solving the mystery of Mr. Nath and hearing each other's point of view.
Right answer. Huh? Nishad was reading his book, but after that they discussed about it. The last line which she said, sharing each other's opinion about Mr. Nath, that is right. Hanji. So, answer is that Maya and Nishad's school was to open after summer holidays, summer vacation, but due to uncertain weather, and due to rain, the roads were flooded and traffic was jammed, so they got an unexpected holiday. They spent their holiday in their own ways. Maya spent time jotting down all the points and facts about Mr. Nath, whereas Nishad was reading his comic books. But they both discussed and shared their opinion about Mr. Nath. I hope this is clear to everyone.
Yes.
हाँ जी, एकम बोलिए.
Stated that Mr. Nath had got the stars during an encounter with police. The
Hmm.
house on the fire.
Police had to.
Set the house on fire.
Yes. Good. Very good. Question है, what was Maya's prediction of Mr. Nath's scars? Raghav, why didn't you do your homework? It was given. You were supposed to do that. Why didn't you do that? Chinmay, I'll start writing the notes in your diaries. Homework not done. Homework not done. Chinmay, huh? What? You spent a lot of time on phone and you didn't see the assignment shared in the classroom. Very good. Mannat. Ankit.
Maya's opinion on Mr. Nath's car was he might have got these cars while
The next line you have to add, the police had to set his house on fire. She thinks that. We've read that. We'll include that line also. We'll add that line also in the answer. हाँ जी बेटे, आरव.
According to Maya, Mr. Nat thought that car was without his by the police and his house was fire.
Set on fire. Right. So Mr. Maya predicted, sorry, I am sorry, it is not Mr. Maya, it is Maya only. Maya predicted that the scars on Mr. Nat's face were due to his encounter with police. The police might have to set his house on fire to to
Force him out.
to force him out. Is this clear to everyone? Yes. Any doubt to anyone in any of the answers? Anji bete. Huh? We can add this and we can start this answer that Maya thought that as Maya believed that Mr. Nath was a crook, so she predicted that the scars on his face were due to his encounter with police. The police had to set his house on fire to force him out. Hanji Harman.
Maya predicted that Parvati said Mr. Nath's face was when police encountered him, and but when their mother told them that these cars were burned, Maya predicted that his
Yes.
house was set on fire by
Yes. Yes. This point can also be added. Good. That when Maya's mother told that the scars on Mr. Nath's face were the burn marks, then she predicted that these were the scars which he got during his encounter with police because they had to set his house on fire to force him out. Is the answer clear to everyone? Now, any doubt, any other point which you want to add in this answer, or any other answer which you feel that this point can also be added? No? All the answers are clear to you now. Okay. Yes, beta.
the fourth question I have is Mr. Tiwari Mr. was lying on covering his palms reading comics.
Exact line लिख सकते हो, no issues in that. हाँ जी. Any other doubt? हाँ जी वर्लीन बोलिए. नहीं, इसमें we'll have to specify his appearance. Appearance के बारे में उसके बताना जरूरी है. हाँ जी, the students who are online, if you have any doubt, beta, you can write in the chat box. I'll be reading the chat box side by side, and I'll solve your query. No doubt to anyone. So we are through with the chapter, beta. We have discussed the question answers of this chapter.